or if you have like your pet, same thing, you know, you're getting ready for your pet and then take care of everything, and like you go into the store and you get your pet, your baby food, and then you forget what you need to pick up for yourself. Same thing. All right, so I'm gonna dab just a couple layers. You can add more as you prefer. And then we are going to using a crystal clear. Mika? Yeah, Mika, do you stop cleaning the house? You clean the house and your nails will never get done. Oh, hopefully Derek's not sitting next to you. He said, I will never let you watch Nancy live again because she tell you to do not clean the house. Brazil, babe.
I think Dom have a new account now.
Oh, don't have new account now?
Oh, don't worry, Jen. It's soon enough. You see he running back home, tapping his legs, say, "Hey, Mama, I need you."
Yeah. Yep. Well, no, it's if your son older now, that'd be awesome. So then you can make some time for yourself. So when using the crystal clear. Mika, you need to put the headphone on and tell Derek that you just listen to some music, not watching my live. And then whatever he asking, yeah, babe, yes. You say, what are you listening? It's just some music. Just don't tell him you're watching live with me.
Right, like I'm just chilling here.
Yeah,
like,
just
down bottom for like half an hour.
Just singing yourself like you are listening to some music. Oh, I'm be in trouble now.
Like just hum that new song you hear on Instagram.
Now Derek will say, babe, do not worry. I'm going to clean whole house. And then you get to sit chills and doing your beautiful nails. All right. So I'm using just a little bit. And not too much because you don't want to bleeding like all of this like pigment because they're so pigmented. Okay.
So Robin on Facebook, yes, we do have gift card. So just go to official website on the drop down list at the bottom. You will see gift card, e-gift card.
That is so awesome. That's such a great gift. Because you give the gift and then the person's the love that you give it to, and then they get to shop, and then during this week you will get the persons that shopping with the product will receiving the red envelope with the Glitz cash and also the free gift. That is so awesome. That's such a thoughtful of you. Thank you so much for tuning in. So I'm gonna using just little berry crystal clear, just a little bit. So now if you want to be less like marble like this, you can add more of the crystal clear and blending out, or you can leave it as it is. It's up to you. That's how you would like it. I love this burning hearts in the neon section. This is so like pigmented and it's so bright as well. I just love bright color. Jan, you can see that I did wear your ring. I like it a lot though. I'm gonna try to ask husband to get my birthstones in different month. What do you think? I was like, babe, what's your birthday? January. And next month you say February.
Yep. I have monthly birthday.
Monthly birthday. I love the ring. It's so cute though. It's actually I really like it. When it's really you fit perfect with my fingers. Thank you so much. They're so beautiful. It's really detailed and I like it. Really, really like intricate. All right. So then now, should we put some stickers on? I love the sticker. I just want a yellow one. So now I want to share with so when you see these two colors, red and yellow, is just definitely a definition of the Lunar New Year. I love it so much. It's growing up. It's all my memory. I see that it's just great season I get to collect so many red envelopes. I believe I still have a lot of red envelopes that back then my dad is still keep it. Back then, the red envelope, it wasn't like this big. So nowadays, so much better. Back then, the red envelope is a half side. I think I still keep some of them and I have half side of it, and then get it when it changing back into like a recent like years. Maybe I would say maybe 20 years. And start changing to bigger, so then you can keep your bills, your cash money, your bills is like so you don't have to fold it. And it's fit perfect. So I'm so excited. It's still cool red envelopes. I love it. My kids love it too. Sometimes my kids did it and then they took all the content inside and then they give me back the red envelope. They said, "Mommy, here's your envelope." I said, "Is this for you?" I said, "I got it. I already got it. So thank you, Mom." So they took the content inside and they give me back red envelope. But I love the red envelope. I keep it. I save it. So I'm gonna go ahead and using illuminating gel arts too. So is the meaning of a red envelope is people who love you and care for you, who give you the red envelopes. Inside there was a lucky money, cash, and gift. So then it wish you the best of the year to come, and with everything of the best for you. So when you get the red envelope, it just so is excited, and it's just a really weird side of the lucky, one of the sides of a lucky. So I love it so much. And when I'm back home to see my mom still give me the red envelope. So that is so awesome. All right, so I'm gonna just doing a wiggle a little bit. You can add more as you prefer. You can add less if you prefer, however you would like. It makes yourself happy and your clients happy. Here for 30 seconds. And then you can dress some butterflies as well, because the butterflies and the flowers is just being a sign of really happiness, and it's for the start from the New Year's in the spring seasons. Because sometimes it's Lunar New Year's, it's falling in February. Sometimes it's like early February, it's like late February or like late January. It depends on the lunar calendar. So this year's happened right in the February 1st. So it's like 1 week, one more weeks will be Lunar New Year.
So just by when the sale ends, you can celebrate.
Which are red envelopes. So that's red. I really like it. It looks like what is this one though? Like the mum's flowers? You think?
Do not know any of the flower names.
You don't need to know. It's just beautiful. That's all.
Right? Just flowers. Beautiful flowers.
You know what? It's gonna be awesome with Google. Have the picture like Google and then scan onto the flower and then say, "Oh."
They do actually.
They do?
They do.
Are you sure?
Yep. You can search by pictures.
For
You
real?
can search by voice too, by sound.
Oh
so
my
like
goodness.
you can literally hum a song to Google. They will search out a song for you.
Oh my goodness. Can they able to Google like the birds? Like can they identify what type of bird is that?
You can take a picture of the bird, and if they have
Can they hear the sounds of the bird? And then you just like let them hear the sounds and then they can find out.
You know what? Next time you see a bird, do it. I never tried.
That's awesome. Oh my goodness. I love it. It's just like that. Just like that. You don't need anything else. So here for 60 seconds if you are decide to not do anything else. But my clients are, oh, Nancy, I'm going to do a simple set. She's never walking out with the simple set at all. At all. Love the client. They're like, too simple. So I'm having fun with the stickers. So this one is the 5D stickers. But then all other stickers like $5.99. When you see all $5.99 stickers added on your cart. And don't freak out when you see the total, because we see insane of the numbers like 1,000, and then you say bam, $800 discount. Is so like unbelievable, but it is because it's some special occasion. Glitz always grateful for every single of you. When it's some special is celebration, with really deeply is appreciate and grateful for every single of you, and that's why we want every single of you have a list of some supplies. Either you're doing for your clients or you have a good stock up your supplies in your inventory. So then when the clients ask, you have it. And if you are doing it for yourself, congratulations, you have so much fun. You're saving so much money. for yourself, your husband, your boyfriend, your fiance. Gonna be so happy that you are not breaking your bank without having is beautiful, is fun nail art, and it makes you happy. You know, he's gonna be so happy. He's like support you. I say, babe, it is special. It is on sales, and I get glitz cash, and I can like getting save money and shop more. I said, sure, go here. Here's your credit card. You can use it. You're like, you never know. Why are you choking? Like, why are you laughing? Is that you? You can hear me eyes. Is that you? If you're not you, that's why you respond. Is that right? Is that real? Yeah?
Yeah.
You said, here, you don't need a credit card. I'll give you a number. Oh no. Hey Dom, do my nails. Oh, that's awesome. Oh yeah. Butterflies. Oh my gosh, I really want this one, but I was lost in the sticker. You know why? I don't know why I pulled the sticker out, because in my brain and my head right now, everything is like, oh, 80% off sticker, 80% off sticker. And then I pull all sticker and I start putting sticker on. I'm having so much fun with all of you. And look at this. I really want this one, butterflies one. That's it. I really want other crystal on it. Maybe this one. No, but it's gonna be too busy. Which one should I put it on? I just want a little bit. Oh, I found that. I found her. Right there. Right there. There's a butterflies, garden butterflies though. This one is so cute. Should I put it right in the middle here?
Oh, there you go. Now it's better.
Right here is cute. Look, look.
Yep. It is good.
Look cute. Sorry, I'm like, huh. I'm like, I have a whole plan out with the designs, and I didn't use any of my designs at all. This is so cool. This is how amazing about the fun with the stickers. You will never go wrong with this, and it's always come out cute. Stickers and fusioning, that's the two things. If you want to make it fun nail art, super quick and simple, easy, it's no headache at all. This two is goes so well together. Sticker transfer foil with fusioning. It doesn't, either way, it looks cute. So I am go ahead and using condensed glue gels. I'm gonna put some crystal on. Look, I have all the charm layout here, and I didn't use any of them because I can, but then I don't want to cover the beautiful flowers. It is just so beautiful. And I'll go ahead and do it. No wipe top coat. Does anyone have any questions for me? So I just really having a good time with you, and I was talking to Jan earlier in conversation. I hope I don't miss any of her comments. So can you check if you can? Oh, I like that. But I also like that. I got this from a 4-color kits. I'm going to show you shortly. And this is from the glow in the dark crystal kits. I really like that. That's it. I just want to be right there. And I'm using my Ultimate Crystal Kits. I'm going to dress it around. And the best thing to do, and the easiest way to do, is to add your crystal right tight next to each other. And the closer, the tighter you are getting them together, the better they are going to stay. I mean, they're connecting really close and tight together. And then I'm going to do this one. Oh my god, the butterflies is so cute. This one. The flowers. I'm going to add some beads on. I remember is when I was little is the New Year Eve, which is Lunar New Year Eve. I usually go to the market and get fresh flowers for my mom and put it together in a beautiful huge vase. And
so Heather from Facebook, so Fusion ink is the ink that we use for the background right there. It creates a very easy marble effect, and there's a lot of things you can play with it. We recommend you just Google Fusion ink on YouTube or anywhere else. You see a lot of tutorial from us.
yes, Heather is so easy to do. I am also saving the videos, and I have a lot of videos on the YouTube, right, Heather, on YouTube right now?
She on Facebook.
Facebook, yes.
On Facebook video too, we have a ton.
Yeah, we have a lot on them. And then it's so easy to do, whether you do it for yourself or your clients. It's such a great way to start with, and it's creates so much like easy, and it's pretty background. And so you can add chanfafoil, you can add crystal, you can add however you would like on. You will never go wrong with this, and it's blending so easy with the crystal clear. You don't need any extra additionals of yours brush or any other solution. Only you need is a crystal clears and the color of your fusion ink. So I am going to add like a couple more right here. And I think that's about it. Good. Great. I'm happy with this. We'll go ahead and cure for 60 seconds.